Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Play Store manage apps and devices. Well, in today's video, I'm going to teach you about the Play Store's manage apps and devices. So right now, to manage to see those, just go open up your Play Store. Once your Play Store is open up, click on your profile on the top right corner. There you go. After clicking on your profile in the top right corner, you will now be located right here. Then click on Manage Apps and Devices. After clicking on Manage App and Devices, you'll be located to your overview. So as you can see right now, my gigabyte is 104 gigabyte that I've used and only got maybe like roughly about 11 gigabyte left. I only got 11 gigabyte left in my storage. And to manage your apps in your device, just click on Manage. And as you can see there, this is the overview. This is all of the apps that I have. I have 142 apps. Wow, I'm quite shocked. I'm gonna delete this one. So there you go. I'm gonna delete a few things. So yeah, I have a lot of apps here. I'm just gonna delete one only and uninstall. There you go. And in here, in manage on your devices, on the apps on your devices, you can also choose the updates to see if there's any update available right now. As you can see, there are no updates yet available. Oh no, I meant there are many updates available. They have been updated 4 days ago, 3 days ago. And let's see on the games. What games do we have? We have this. I don't know why I have Mobile Legend. Am I talking Lamjel? I'm gonna delete that. I think my niece used that to play Piano Hop. Yeah, I'll delete that. Cryptomania 3D Simulator. I'll click that. And I don't know why I have a Billionaire Casino 77. Alright, so let's delete those. So there you go, uninstalling. So I'm managing my apps right now. So there you go. And there's a bonus in the back archive if you have any hidden stuff like games that you hide. I'm just joking. But if you're just hiding something, you'll see it in the archive apps. So yeah, there you go, guys. Hope you guys learned something, and you can also choose the devices or on where you want to manage. For example, right now, just click on device. As you can see, this device, and there's another device, Vivo V 2036. So as you can see right now, I can also manage that device, and just click on that and I can download stuff there or delete stuff in that phone. But for me, that phone is gone. I've lost that phone for like, I don't know, like a year ago. So but it's still here because I've logged in that phone and I didn't log out of my Google Play. So yeah, there you go, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And a quick tip for you guys, when managing your to call this apps and your devices, for you guys, always look at your gigabyte usage. So for me, this is what I keep on looking at. If how many space do I still have in my phone, but my thumb is I should have at least 10 gigabyte of free space on my phone. So yeah, hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.